Victims of sudden closings say they should, while community owners say that is unconstitutional. News 3 political reporter Jessica Arp is here to explain the debate. Jess.
Well, right now, mobile home park owners can give residents anywhere from 5 to 30 days notice if a park is going to close, and residents would have to move the homes they own off the rented land. A new bill would not only change that, but give residents the right to buy the land first. Tanya Cohen has moved on. Her mobile home forced to move from Monona's Hickory Lane mobile home park in 2006 to another in Fitchburg. But the situation still haunts her.
4 years has gone by and I'm still living in this park, and every time there's a note taped to my door, I'm afraid my park is closing.
She's been on a crusade to give mobile home owners like her more rights if a park were to be sold.
There was a human cost to this, and I believe there would have been less contention if there would have been an opportunity for us to have something to cling to.
A new bill says if a mobile home park accepts an offer to sell, residents would have 90 days to band together and make an offer to purchase the property instead.
The way I'm looking at it, it's a situation where I own the home, somebody else owns the piece of land that it's on. Those who live in the home and own the home need more protection. This is what the legislation does.
But community owners say the bill goes too far.
Our problem with this bill is that it goes into effect when someone has already accepted an offer or agreed to accept an offer. It shouldn't start at that point.
Instead, they support 120 days notice for a mobile home community closing.
Our members are all for manufactured home communities because that's what we do.
Hickory Lane today sits empty, but Cohen says she'll never know if they could have owned it themselves.
If we could have all the information to our knowledge, we may have chosen to purchase the park. And maybe we wouldn't have chosen to purchase the park, and we would have at least had a solid 120 days to find our ways out of there.
Now, mobile home community owners also point out that this bill does not require 120-day notice to leave if someone simply chooses to close a park without a sale, and say things like zoning changes or infrastructure grants could actually help these communities more than this bill would. This bill will get a hearing tomorrow in the Assembly Housing Committee at 12:30.